Hello and welcome to the channel My Home My Study. Today I'll be providing you the answer of chapter number 5, Fundamental Rights Part 2 from 7th Standard Civics. Students, this is the requested video from Shreya. If you want any chapter notes, please do comment. Without delaying any time, let's begin with exercise. Question number 1, write about the following. The Constitution prevents the imposition of religious taxes. This answer is given on page number 80. यहाँ पर देखो, स्टेट कैन नॉट इम्पोज रिलीजियस टैक्सेस दैट माइट बी यूज टू इनकरेज अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजियन, दैट इज आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन forbids religious taxes. Next question number 1 second, what is meant by right to constitutional remedies? This answer is given on page number 80. See in this para, right to constitutional remedies में यहाँ पर मैंने मार्क किया है, in case of encroachment of fundamental rights, the Indian citizens right to get judicial remedies is also a fundamental right. This is called the right to constitutional remedies. Next, question number 2, find one appropriate word. First one is protection from illegal arrest and detention. Answer is habeas corpus. Second, to restrain a person from acting in an office to which he is not entitled. Answer is quo warranto. Third, the order of the Supreme Court or the High Court commanding the government to perform an action that is its duty to perform. Answer is mandamus. Question number 2, fourth, the order preventing a subordinate court from exceeding its jurisdiction. Answer is prohibition. Next, question number 3, state the reason why we are free to practice the following. First, all Indian citizens can celebrate all festivals joyfully because this answer is given on page number 80. Our constitution has given the different communities the right to preserve their cultural uniqueness. Question number 3, second, we can make efforts towards the preservation and propagation of our language, its script and literature because आपको यहाँ तक के क्वेश्चन कॉपी करना है, देन आप बिकॉज के आगे लिखोगे बिकॉज दे कैन इस्टेब्लिश इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देयर लैंग्वेज. ये आंसर भी आपको पेज नंबर 80 पे मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट, we can approach the dash in case of infringement of our rights. Answer is court. Second, dash education cannot be made compulsory in educational institutions that get aid from the state. Answer is religious. Religious education cannot be made compulsory in educational institutions that get aid from the state. So students, we have finished our question answer from chapter 5th, Fundamental Rights Part 2 from 7th Standard. Do share this video with your classmate and subscribe the channel for more videos.